Very few things are as embarrassing as premature ejaculation. The show ends before it even begins and the lady is left hanging unsatisfied. Now it affects the man's self-esteem and sadly it can even break happy homes. I'm here to help you today as we take a look at 10 simple but powerful tips to help you overcome premature ejaculation and last long in bed. Number 1, Kegel exercise. Now, imagine that you are urinating and for whatever reason you want to stop urinating. There is something you do, a particular tiny contraction, a tiny squeeze in your pelvis in order to stop the urine from flowing. Now, that squeeze, that tiny movement, that particular contraction is the basis of this exercise we call Kegel exercise. To help you identify this contraction, place your fingers behind your testes, in between your scrotum and your anus and press lightly. Now imagine you want to stop urinating or hold back a fart. Squeeze. You will feel the bulge, the contraction with your fingers. To get it right, all the muscles of your body from your head to your toes must be fully relaxed. Do not tense any muscles, especially the muscles of your buttocks and your thighs. Also, putting your fingers in between your penis and your scrotum was to help you identify the contraction. You do not have to place your hands there when you do the Kegel exercise. Now the trick here is for you to do this contraction as often as possible and gradually build up the number of repetitions and the length of each squeeze. If you continue to do this regularly and consistently, in about 6 weeks, it will revolutionize your sex life. Number 2, the start and stop technique. The goal here is to observe yourself while having sex and not to be carried away by the sexual feelings. The problem with people who release quickly is that they allow themselves to be lost in the sexual process and pleasure. There's a particular time during sex that the sexual feeling reaches a point where you cannot help but release, where ejaculation is inevitable. Now the goal of this start and stop technique is to avoid reaching that point of no return. So you observe the sexual feelings rising and rising, but you don't let it rise too high and too much to the point of no return. Then you will stop and start again after a while, after the feelings calm down a little. It is this technique, this starting and stopping, that will give you the ability to delay ejaculation and last very long in bed. Number 3, the squeeze technique. Now with this technique, you or your partner gently squeezes the tip of your penis until you lose your urge to ejaculate. Now because the start and stop technique we previously discussed is usually effective, this squeeze technique is not as commonly used as previously. Number 4, relax and breathe. You know, when a person is about to ejaculate or have an orgasm, 2 things happen. The muscles of the body are tensed and contracted, and you notice that the breathing becomes fast and shallow. Therefore, in this technique, you will reverse the entire process. You will breathe deeply from your stomach, deep from the abdomen down there, throughout the sexual act. Also make sure that all your muscles from the head down to the toes are fully relaxed throughout intercourse. Don't allow any muscles to be tensed, especially the muscles around your back, your buttocks, your thigh, and the groin areas. You will discover that the process of ejaculation is well delayed. Number 5, change your style, change your sex position. Some researchers have found that greater muscular tension can increase the tendency towards premature ejaculation, which means that the common popular missionary position where the man is on top of the lady may actually encourage premature ejaculation. Therefore, in this technique, we will be reversing the usual process and the common positions. We will let the woman take charge. We will let the woman be on top. The woman will be on top of the man, and this is the best position for men with fast ejaculation. And keep communicating with your woman. If your sexual pleasure rises too much and too fast, ask her to slow down or to stop completely for a while. Tell her to start again when your sexual feeling drops down significantly. Number 6, use a condom. Usually the underlying problem with men who find it difficult to last long in bed is the tendency to get overstimulated and overexcited, and this is where using a condom becomes very important. Condoms reduce the sensitivity of the penis and consequently reduce the sexual pleasure and feelings the man experiences. However, using of condom doesn't work for every man, and know if it works for you or not. Also, if it works for you and if one condom doesn't work for you, then put on 2 condoms or even more. Number 7, get distracted. Now, don't let yourself to be carried away with the whole matter of sex, orgasm, ejaculation, and so on. Get distracted while having sex. Think about something, anything, any non-sexual thought. Occasionally, you can think about football, you can think about politics or business. Just take your mind and attention off the sex even while having sex. Now, getting distracted will reduce the excitement and the stimulation that make you release quickly. It should be done intermittently, not for long. Switch between putting your attention on sex and then on something else and back on sex. It is like the start and stop technique of the mind. You think of politics, you think of sex. Think of money, you think of sex. You think of business, then you think of sex. So on and off like way, you keep getting yourself distracted and prolong ejaculation. Number 8, ejaculate before sex. Now, release before having penetrative sex with your partner because the first round is usually the fastest. Men who are able to release before penetrating their partner usually last longer because somehow the desire to ejaculate and the excitement has reduced. So, for example, your partner could stimulate you and your penis without you penetrating until you ejaculate. Even though it has few limitations and drawbacks, ejaculating before sex works because subsequent ejaculations will take a relatively longer time usually to occur. Number 9, prolong foreplay. Foreplay refers to those things you do before the actual act of penetrating the vagina with the penis. The secret here is just to prolong all of these. Take your time, be with your partner, and make it a goal to please her, not just yourself. Do anything, everything except penetrating. Do whatever it takes to prolong foreplay and delay penetration. You will discover that when you slow down and take your time to have prolonged foreplay, you are training your body and mind to calm down and get used to the sexual feeling. You are gaining control and taking charge. Number 10, get medical help. You can have a doctor prescribe some medications or topical creams that reduce the sensitivity of the penis, and there are delay sprays and desensitizing creams that can be applied to the tip and the shaft of the penis as needed 10 to 15 minutes before sex. Now, some men prefer these sprays and creams because they have fewer side effects as compared to taking pills. However, the disadvantage of these topical creams is the reduction of the sensation in the penis as well as for your partner, thereby affecting the entire sexual enjoyment. There are certain prescription drugs that can actually influence the brain to delay ejaculation. Even though they have a lot of side effects, you should talk to your doctor before taking them. Don't take them on your own. Did you learn anything new today? Don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed, and check the description section for a free ebook titled Fire Your Doctor. Take charge of your health and happiness.